Short video of the Commodore room. So we got the Anarchy Underground. Endless Chaos. Phone system. Got the hub running to the asterisk with my fax machine, 2 phone lines. Rotary phone. Got this phone hooked up to a 3rd asterisk, see that phone line. SX64 bread bin Commodore. I'm talking to people on my PC. My tube Mixie calculator. Oh, it ain't plugged in. Then we got the 128D. Got flat 128. A whole bunch of stuff hooked up here. Gotta love that. We got VIC 20 going on there with the 3K expander rocking out. Another Commodore there. All the drives that run it between the Atari and the Commodore. Amiga 2000 and the Amiga 500 with deluxe paint. So yeah, we're rocking out, dude. Burning some energy. Living the dream. I keep the top off of this Commodore because we like the PLA tip to be nice and cool. But that's everything, y'all. I know I'd put videos like this up there, but I keep these puppies running. And don't forget about all these puppies down here that are not running. Even though they run, they're just not powered up. But, yeah. I'm a Commodore guy. Commodore. And you won't see this graphic on the side. So I wanted to share my Commodore experience because I love my Commodores and I have a lot of fun with them. So I've got plenty of disc up in here. Yeah, I hate trying to pull them all out because it's hard to push them back in, but yeah. Enjoy, y'all. That's all I'd share. Especially this dude. One of a kind. So, take care, brothers. I want to show you what I was doing today. I'll see y'all around.